What I have here today is Hilti's ProKit modular storage system. This is actually a really great system. Really impressed with what I'm seeing here. And yes, this is their first 5 initial pieces that they're offering. I know they're late to the game, but I think it's okay because you're gonna be impressed with what you see. Check it out. The best place to start with the ProKit is with the trolley. So this is the heart of the system in that with this is how you get the mobility to take your tools where you need them to go. This is sort of like a dolly without the bottom platform. Comes with really nice large wheels that will allow you to get over rough terrain easy. Has a solid metal axle right here. So, you know, inside of this is metal reinforced. It's gonna actually be pretty sturdy. Can really load this thing up. Matter of fact, it'll hold up to 250 pounds of gear. So that's a lot. And also with the boxes, you can stack it 7.5 feet tall. So you get a lot of material and tools in this guy. Now, the way this works is this. You have this black button right here. This one depressed releases the handle to allow you to extend it up so you can use it to move your tools around. When you don't need it, just press the button again. Handle lowers into its lowest position. On the back side here, we have this metal piece right here to be able to attach additional items if you need to. But what's really cool is the way it interfaces with their boxes. So let me grab a box and show you. So this is their extra large case. This case holds 16 gallons. It has a weight limit of 99 pounds, so you can really load this guy up. If you notice, it has pop-out handles on the sides, has a large single latch on the front. Now this is gonna be common amongst all the tools, all these storage boxes. It has a single handle, so one handle opens the lid. If you notice, there is a nice heavy rubber gasket inside of here. So we do get IP65 rating on these actually, so dust and water intrusion is really minimized, and nice secure latch when it's closed. The hinge actually has a metal bar in it, so it's metal reinforced. Why we have metal here is this. If you notice, on our trolley, we have these latches right here, which are also metal. So the interface is simply this. Bring your trolley up, click it in, and it latches right in place. So as simple as that, now I have the ability to just move this around wherever I need to. And when I'm ready to let it go, there's a button I can push right here that has a lock, a padlock logo on it. Push that, they come right apart. Simple as that. So that would be your first box. So that would be your base. That's your starting point. So this is, you're gonna put this on the bottom and you then build up from there. So next size box is this one, which is what they're calling the large case. This case has about a 9.25 gallon capacity. So pretty good capacity inside of there. It also is rated to hold up to 75 pounds. So quite a bit of weight. Does come with a nice divider inside here that is removable. It's nice, it has these little clips on the inside that allow you to put this in place and then move it as you need to. Lock that in there so you get a divider. It's also compatible with their tool locating system here, the Hilti tool system, so you can put your locator in here and keep track of where your boxes are. Same as the extra large case, the latch system is the same. Single point of opening and closing right here. And again, your metal bars on the back. So a couple reasons why we have metal bars on the back still. Even though this case is latched into here, I can do something else with this case. And when I put it on my trolley, there's a metal system at the top here that allows me to hang the box on the top. You notice it's hanging up here. So easy to pull that off, move it around. Now, as far as these boxes latching together, this is the other feature that I feel like I really, really like. Unlike some of the other systems where they kind of have to do a slide together or you have to match them up just so they click, this one is nesting. So as soon as I get it close, it's locked together. That was it. I didn't have to worry about trying to line pins up or slide lock things. Very simple. And then to remove it, push down and it pops off. So a single point of latch here to remove this. The way this works is this. We have these locators on the back here that are has a little catch on the edge, as you can see right here, catches into this other box. And then on the front side, incorporated with this lever, is we have these little latches right here. And these are what move. So all you're doing is pop that guy on there, drop it on, and it's in place. What's nice too is it's self-centering, so it's hard to not put the box on correctly. So you're not having to mess around with it. Also, what's nice too is it's one hand. That's it. And if you notice, once I push it down, it stays down until I release it. So very simple. Again, very secure latching system. So this is your extra large, your large, then we have what we call our medium case. Same as the other cases, it's just a little bit smaller here. This one has a 5-gallon capacity and a 50-pound load capacity. If you put 50 pounds into this thing, that's a lot of weight. Now, same thing, same latch system, other than the latch is located right here in the center. So the way that looks is like this. Pull this guy off. Put that on there. And now to latch it, just push down. Simple as that. And you get the suitcase handle on this guy, so you can carry this one around suitcase style, or it has integrated handles on the side as well, so you can carry it level if you need to. So as you see, look how easy that is to latch on there. Now, no extra work, no lining anything up. What's also nice is it clicks in both directions, so if I have the tool case spun around and I'm not stacking them with hinge to hinge, still latches on. So you can go either way on either box. Any boxes could couple any way. And I have one last box to show you. And this is their organizer box. This is their full-size organizer. I take a guess that they're gonna probably have some half-size organizers at some point. But what you get with this box is, just like the medium-sized box, it's the same size. Same opening system here in the middle. One latch opens it. You get 11 bins inside. It includes these. They're really nice and deep. So you can fit a lot of material in there. Also, if you don't want any bins, you can go ahead and take them all out as well. So pretty much you can do whatever you need to with this organizer. The other nice thing is that each cup is captured, so that if you were to tip this over, the contents of each of the bins would stay in place, which is a nice feature as well, so that these each of these is locked into, as you can see in the clear lid here, the transparent lid, there's a spot where in this grid where it actually goes into the top of each of these bins to keep everything in its place. So another nice feature there. Same thing, IP65 rated, so whatever you put in here should stay free of dust and moisture. Same metal system on the back here, allows you to hang this on the top of the trolley and just make it have easy access to it. So as we stack these up, goes on there, goes on there, and we'd be ready to go to work. Now, as far as costs go, not an inexpensive system by any means, but actually came in reasonable from what I've seen for other products on the market that are like it from their competitors. And what you're seeing is, we'll go from top to bottom. So for our organizer, you're looking at about 73 bucks. For your medium case, $95. For your large case, about $106, $137. And then the trolley is your most pricey piece, which is $177. So altogether, you got between $500–600 bucks for a setup like this. So what's that mean though? Well, it means that with Hilti, you get a really, really long warranty. It's actually one of the longest warranties in the market, 20 years actually. Then on top of that, you get a 2-year parts warranty and then a 1-day guaranteed repair warranty. So it's a 22-1 is what they call it. These are currently available. So if you go to Hilti.com, you'll find them on there and be able to configure the system exactly for what you need for whatever type of work that you do. So I gotta know, out of all the storage systems out there, you know, we have them from almost every single major manufacturer. What's your favorite and why? Drop me a comment below. If you like this video and found it helpful, give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit that bell button so you don't miss out on our next video. And as always, thanks for watching.